Hey everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks. Again, we're coming from Andy's Kitchen, who is awesome. He's got all kind of cool toys and cast iron stuff and an oven that works, which is kind of important for this one. And it's Thanksgiving week, so we're hanging out with family. It's my oldest friend in the world, so it's what we do. This time, we're going to do something because not only is it Turkey Week, because Thanksgiving here in the States, but also because Ren Fair is going on over here, the Texas Renaissance Festival. I think it's usually the last weekend is this weekend, but everybody loves a turkey leg, right? You might have seen Andy out there trundling around in his armor looking cool. You might have seen me years ago, back when I used to look cool in armor and could walk and not die of heat exhaustion at the TRF. But if you love that kind of stuff, I love a turkey leg, but they always just here's a smoked turkey leg, so we're going to flavor it. We're going to do stuff, see what works, see what doesn't. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be great. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff. Andy did. You can tell that's the stance. I've already subscribed. What are you going to do? That's what that look is. Be sure to check the link down the doobly-doo for our aprons. All our merch and stuff is down there. We're a small business. We very much appreciate it. And let's just get into it.
All right, we're going to cheat with some pre-smoked turkey legs and get those for super cheap. And then we're going to just kind of season them with some different stuff. I got some of this roasted garlic. I got some fresh dill, which is amazing. You can get some seasoned salt, like Slap Your Mama stuff, or some more like black powdered garlic stuff, or the raspberry chipotle. It makes a reappearance. Anything you want, just regular salt, any other seasonings. Try this out. I mean, like I said, we can do this with raw ones. You just want to cook them a lot longer at 350, but you already got them smoked, so let's go ahead and lay them out. Now these got skin on, which is easy because that skin helps us hold the seasoning, but you're going to have to touch it with your bare hands, so I know Jack's freaking out. But yeah, just pull the skin up and take a couple fingers and wedge it up in there, and then just give it a nice rub. Put the seasoning and stuff in there. Coat it on the skin. Like, it's going to stick a lot better once it starts cooking. Right now it's going to have some really cold grease, ladies. And then once you get it nice and coated, get it on the skin, set it aside. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 while you're doing this. Go ahead and season everything else. Again, just a pinch, just pull back that skin. If you don't have the skin, again, you can touch it. You can use touch it up with what's it called, extra virgin olive oil, or just regular old olive oil. Olive oil has been around, or at least been to third base. You know, all olive oil is good. But, you know, you can give it a nice coat of that, so all this stuff will stick really well. Or the actual natural grease on the cold turkey legs. I don't like them frozen. Make sure they're thawed out, and it'll stick a lot easier. Now, this last one, went ahead and took the fresh dill, chopped it up, added some olive oil to my measuring cup here. Just regular old, you know, extra virgin olive oil, because it's a good girl. And go ahead and get it knocked around in there. And get it nice and stirred up. That way this fresh dill stuff will stick to it. It'll stick to the top, bottom, whatever you want to do. Go ahead and add some of your seasoning. I'm using some of the roasted garlic. Yeah, you can just use regular like garlic powder if you need it, but this is supposed to be super fancy stuff. Go ahead and give that a nice stir. And again, just take it. You can use your bare hand if you need to, but just take it and use your brush. Just bloop, put it from one end to this, the other. Just blah, blah, blah. When it coated, you can get it up under the skin, whatever. Again, make sure your oven's preheated a little bit. Do it 350. You're gonna put it in for about 20 minutes. That's all it's gonna take. But yeah, this is exceptionally cheating. But if you want just a little taste of Ren Fair or Thanksgiving, if you only do it there, like, this is the perfect way to do it. Now, put them in. We put ours in a cast iron, this big cast iron pan, bag cast iron skillet, and put it in there. We use that. We preheat it a little bit, but you can just put it in a regular roasting pan or on a baking sheet. Will work just fine. But we're at Andy's place, so we want to play with this cast iron a little bit. So you put it in there at 350 for 20 minutes or so. Like I said, just keep an eye on it. This is after 25 minutes. We were worried it wasn't going to be heated all the way through. But this is amazing. This is super cheap. Again, it's great for meal prep because the turkey legs are already smoked. They're ready to go. And you can season them. You can have a different seasoning, different flavor every day. Like you saw, we threw three different ones in the same pan here. You could do more if you're trying to do a whole week, whatever. This is really fun. Again, like I said, I grew up in the fairs, rodeos, festivals, and stuff with a petting zoo and pony ride. So we did turkey legs pretty regularly there. And since growing up, Ren Fair is one of the staples is getting a turkey leg, but the price has gone through the roof. So this is just a simple way to do it. Spice it up, make it fun.
Don't you do that when you capture the point? Oh, never mind. There you have it, folks. Seasoned turkey legs that are just absolutely amazing. Better than anything you get at TRF, and sure as shit cheaper. So remember us when you're starting to eat your turkey legs. If you do it differently, you want to see us try it differently, do different seasonings, do a different style, smoke them ourselves, whatever, let us know. Put it down in the comments. That's what they're there for. The light keeps going on my face. It's on my face. It burns my eyes. So let us know. You can also find us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us all of those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, or on Instagram. And I'm taking Andy's line and say, and Living Between, because it's short, because he wants to slap me because I keep pointing that out to him. Let us know. We'll be happy to revisit this. Again, it's Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed the food. If not the people, do your thing. Be happy. We'll catch you next time. I'm trying to hide my stomach right now. Put my hands on it.
Me too.